Hi everyone, I'm Stacy and today I just wanted to show you how to do a simple stir fry. Now for me, I had a lot of extra Napa cabbage sitting in my fridge and I really needed to use it up before it goes bad. So I'm going to show you how to put this together. Now the first thing I did do, and I did this before the video because I wanted to shorten it a little bit, is to stir fry some meat. Now I have about 1.5 chicken breasts in here and I went ahead and just fried it up in a little bit of oil, and now I'm just going to set it aside to show you the next step. Now, of course, with the meat, you can choose anything you want. You can do shrimp, fish, beef, pork, or chicken. Anyway, so the next step that you would want to do is put together your stir fry sauce. To do that, you're just going to take 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Just kind of mix this up a little bit and then set this aside. There we go. That'll take care of that. And then the next thing is to take your pan with some oil in it. I have about 2 tablespoons of regular avocado oil in here. And then I will add in 4 cloves of garlic that's already been minced up. Oh, let me get this out. And 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Now I'm just going to cook this up for like 30 seconds before I add the next ingredients. Now I'm just going to add my cabbage. I have about 8 cups of Napa cabbage, but when you're doing a stir fry, it's kind of just use up what you've got. You can use carrots and celery and whatever other vegetable sounds good. And if you don't like as much cabbage or don't have as much, you can use less. Continue to cook this until maybe about 5 minutes in, and then you'll see the cabbage start to wilt. And once that happens, we're going to be adding everything together. The cabbage looks really good, so now I'm just going to go ahead and throw in the chicken and the sauce. Now this last little bit of cooking only takes about 2 minutes. The thing I like about stir fries is that you can use whatever leftovers you happen to have in your fridge. Or if you just want to use up those vegetables before they go bad, pretty much anything you want. All right, it's done and now it's ready to serve. You can serve this with some rice noodles or even just regular rice as you see fit. And just top it with some green onions, a little bit of sesame seeds, and that's all there is to it. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.